Mas malinaw pa daw sa mata mo ang camera nito. Baka this time makita mo na yung tamang tao para sa'yo. This phone stands out in camera performance. Mula photography and video, it performed high quality across all tests. Ang zoom and ultra-wide shots from this phone are really impressive. The 48 megapixel sensor ultra-wide camera offers excellent image quality kahit sa low light scenarios. And superior macro shots by automatically switching lenses for close-ups. While it couldn't surpass the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max in some aspects, let's be honest, pero it still holds its own with unique AI features like Magic Eraser and Face Unblur. Another thing, its video quality in HDR is good, with room for improvement compared to competitors. Despite slight shortcomings in photo attributes, it still offers strong ultra-wide and video performances. Overall, hindi ako na-disappoint sa phone na to. Tag mo na yung friend mong mahilig mag-picture. Baka this time, makita niya na yung taong para sa kanya.